Hello buddies, and welcome back to this masterclass for the beginners in Python. Thank you so much for attending the lessons, and as of now guys, I'm telling you the truth that we are doing great, amazingly super good work. And in the previous lessons guys, we've been learning about strings, and we did it, and today we're going to talk about Python Booleans. Welcome once again, is your guy, the Wolf. Without much ado, let's get started. Welcome once again, is your guy, the instructor, Wolf. Okay, so guys, what is Python Booleans? So Booleans represent one of two values whereby you have to say whether it's true or false. Simple as that. That's a Boolean. If you ever attended a little there, a little here classes, you had to learn things to do with Boolean algebra. Forget about that. Let's continue. So Boolean values in programming, you often need to know if an expression is false or true, and you can evaluate any expressions in Python and get one of the two answers, true or false. When you compare two values, let's say the expression is evaluated and Python returns the Boolean answer, there you must have a true or false. So that is it. So without much ado, let's just do on the console. I'm just going to start simple and delete this. And guys, I'm using IntelliJ if you're new. If this is your first class, welcome. But I'm using IntelliJ, and I've already created a new project here. You can just click over here and then on the file and then say new project, and you can continue from there. But let's continue with this. So I'm just going to print. This is how we start, simple as that. Just do this, bro. Print, and you just say that 3 is greater than 2. Do you agree with this, guys? I don't know whether you agree or not, but we're going to check whether 3 is greater than 2. And the next thing, I just want to print 3 is equal to this double two signs. This operator are called equal signs, they are called operators, but this means two of them means 3 is equal to 2. And I'm just write another one and say that print 3 is less than 2. So let's see whether we have a true or false. So let's just paste the first one. Let's run and see what we have at the console. As you can see, guys, our first answer is true. 3 is greater than 2. I know even a class baby, a sucking baby milk, he knows that 3 is greater than 2. And the second one here, 3 is equal to 2. Now, man, it's not true. You're lying. Yeah, of course, false. And the last one here, 3 is not less than 2. So this is a Boolean algebra. Oh, this is just a Boolean answer, which is true or false. I don't know why I add Boolean algebra, because it's not what we're doing here. So the next thing, so when you run a condition in an if statement, we can run this in an if statement. So Python will return a true or false. Just do it, bro. Don't talk. You have talking like a dog. I don't know. What? Come on. You still talking. So let's print a message based on whether the condition is false or true. So I just wanna assign new stuff here. Just comment this out comment this out. How do we comment? Yeah, you just put some hashtag there, but when you have a couple of them, just scroll down on the videos, you can see how you can comment on all of them. But as of now, this goes simple. So I'm just going to do this again. I'm just going to create a variable called a and assign it let's say 200 or 300. Just assign it 300. And then the next one, I just want to do a variable b and assign it a 22, just like that. And now I just want to run an if statement. An if statement, I'm going to check whether b, which is that value that I've assigned 22, is greater than, or is actually greater than a. Yo, are you complaining? Yeah, you're complaining and saying that you should put a full colon over here. This is a full colon. Yeah, there must be an ident. Oh, there. And then the next thing that you need to put there is this. Actually, it's kind of forgetting. So just put this here and say print b is greater than a, just like that. Let's see whether b is greater than a. So we put this in an if statement, and we found out that, oh, did I print something? Yeah. Oh, I should actually again include else statement. Else, I'll say else. This is how we put an if else statement. This is how we do it with Python. Else, just print b is less than, copy that, just put it. Else, just say b is less than, else when b is less than a. Let's run this and see what we have. Oh, we have something here. So b is less than a, but if you avoid this, if I just comment this out, then we are not going to print anything because b is not greater than a. It's simple as that, guys. So let's go to the next subtopic, and let's talk about how to evaluate values and variables. So the bool method, or the bool, actually in Python we call a method, not a function. So the bool method function, what did you add on there? Just say the bool function allow you to evaluate any value and give you a true or a false in return. So let's do it. Let's evaluate a string and a number. So we are evaluating values and a variable. So just remember, value is the value that you have. A variable is just the container where you put that value inside. So let's evaluate this, and let's comment this out so you don't write anything on the console. Let's comment this out. Even that one is not going to do anything. But are you going to raise any problem with us? If you got a problem, okay, you must have a problem with us. Just delete all this to stay clean as I don't know what. So let's print this one here, bool method, and just say something here. Just say something here. And hello, just say hello. Hello, Wolf. Are you okay there? Are you breathing? Are you sitting or are you standing up? No, I'm not going to write that. Just print bool, and let's just put a 16 there. Just write that. So what are you doing? Let's run this and see what we are doing. What are we doing anyway? Just run that first of all. We had a true. So what is this? What is this, bro? We have evaluated a string and a number. We have evaluated a string and a number. So here, if I remove this string from there, the one that I evaluated, and so because I'm not evaluating anything, it should give me false. Bro, it should give me false. If you don't know that, Python, you're crazy or something. Oh, false. Yeah, you're not crazy. I can see that. Just do this also. Let's run again. Oh, two false. Yeah, we have evaluated. So we were checking whether a string is there or a number is there. So we have evaluated a string and a number. So let's go to the next example. And it's a symbol. Just do like, okay, let's assign. Let's evaluate two variables. So to do this, you just put let's create a variable called x and assign in the wolf, and that is a string. And let's also create another variable called y and assign a number there, wolf. And now I just wanna evaluate x and also evaluate y. It should give us a true, right? Now we are evaluating a variable. The first one we evaluated. Oh, now this one we are evaluating a variable, yes, because these x and y are variables, and the one that we have already done was just a string and a number. So we are doing the right thing. So if we run this, we should get true, and that is true. So the next thing, let's find out what if most values are true. So almost any value is evaluated to true if it has some sort of content inside. Any string is true because except an empty string. So if it's an empty, it is false. And any number is true except if it's 0. Any list, tuple, set, dictionary are true except if they are except empty ones. So we have checked that if a string is there, is true. If a number is there, is true. If a variable is assigned, is true. That is it. So that's why most values are true. So I just wanna return a true. Let's return a true here. I just wanna create a bool here. Just remove this and print. Let's say remove this also. Actually, remove this. No, bro, just clean your stuff and be a clean guy like me over here. They had me talking. It's really clean, but they had me. I don't know. We are 3 or I don't know, but I think we are 3. I don't know. Maybe someone is daddy. He talks a lot, daddy stuff. So here I'm going to say ABC, and then come down here and say bool, and just say 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3, and just come down over here. So we want to return a true. That's what we want to do. So let's create bool again and put in a set. Put in a set by square bracket, and I don't know where it is. We learned this one. So just put in a banana. I'm thinking about banana. I dream about banana. I speak all about banana. I breathe banana. I don't know why. It is me. It's me. Let's talk about avocado. Also, let's talk about what else? Plums. plums. Is it written like that? I don't know. I'm so poor in everything. Plums. Just like that. Yo, I don't know. So we have these fruits here, and of all these three fruits, I love a banana. So let's return a true. How do we do that? So definitely. Let's say that. Let's see what we get. Just run this. Oh, what did you do? You did not complete it. You never said anything. So oh, there's something I'm forgetting somewhere. Oh, I did not include our bull function there. So this should be okay, bro. You forgot to print out. Just put the print function outside the bracket. Just like this. Oh, move this and put it here. And just say print. Putting out print. Print that. And also, what did you do? What did you do? What did you do? What did you do? Just okay, like that. And put your print in. And also put the comma here. Pop it in there. And over there. And again just print. Yeah, that one. So we want to return. Yeah, I think that is okay. So we want to return true. So let's see if we can return all these. This should be true. Also this should be true. Let's run it. Yeah, there we have a true. We have returned a true. Okay. You know, some values are false. Some values are false. In fact, there are not many values that evaluate to false because the values is there. But we have said some values are false. So, what are you talking? No, you know, except empty values, we have already said that. Such as, we have some empty values like these. Just read all that. We have a value in this. We have a value in a set. Oh yeah, this is a set. No, we can go back and from a lesson, just know what kind of value is this, and the bracket, square bracket, and the curly braces, curly bracket, and bracket there. And we have a string type, and we can string just like that. Why are you why are you doing that? So we have this kind of value which are empty values, and the number, let's say a number which is 0, and also the value which is none. This will return false, and of course the value false is also a value false, none, and there should be none, just like that. Or this should want me to put capital letter here, put another one down here, which is called the false. And you have another value whichever. This actually equal to false. So all this will return a false. For example, can we do it? Let's do it. Let's print what? Let's print. Just print. So let's print a false in here. And also let's print oh, you haven't actually included you can actually copy all these. Just copy that and Control V, Control V, Control V, Control V, Control V. Okay, so this one, let's put some none in here. These values are actually false, all of them. We want to check it. A value which is 0, a value that has empty string. Oh, yeah. Control V, Control V, and let's do one more or 3 more. I said, actually, I think I should go also back to class and remember this. Okay, I'm having one of extra here. This. What? Oh, it should be there. Okay, and also remove this and put a square bracket. Curly braces, curly bracket. And the last one, just put in some. Okay, delete this. Let's go back. So let's test this and see what we have. So this is, I think this is a set, and this is a tuple, and this is you can find out. So okay, let's run this and find what we should get. Oh, there's a problem somewhere. It's saying that from import email there's something to let me just delete all this up here. And one green stuff. So okay, let's run this. There we go. So we have false, 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 all of them, because these are false. That is it. So let's find let's learn the next stuff. So one more value or object in this case evaluate to false, and if you have an object that is made of from a class with a length function that returns 0 or false, let's do it so that I can explain it. Let's do this. Now let's create a class. Don't worry about class because we will learn, but for now just assume that we will get there. But for now, just represent this. So I just wanna do a simple stuff here, and I create a class, and I call it my class. Oh, students do make love nice because they're enjoying life. That's what you should be doing. This is just defining a method, or defining a method. Simple as that. Put some double underscore child just like that, and then self. So I'm creating an object and itself, and I'm just going to return this. Return what? Return 0. So and again, let me create an object. Call it my object. And call it my obj. Remember Java support object thing. Obj is equal to my class. Because now this class is an object because it's a values. Control Z first of all. Control my class. Call your class there. And just print what? Print a bool obj, my obj, this stuff, this thing over here. So I've created a class. This is how we create a class in Python, just remember that. But don't be worried, and we had one function here that turned to itself. So this is how we do. Just forget it. Don't be scared much more, but just relax first of all. And there is some error here, so I'm just going to put this on there, just like that, and also indent this. Now there is a tick over here. So let's run this and see first of all what because we're going to return 0, it should give us a false. Now we created this class and we have created an object of it. This is how we create an object of a class, because we always have an object of a class. That is it. For example, even in Java, we have if you create a class and then you create maybe a function that returns something. Now we have this function here that returns 0, and we have already said that a 0 is a false. Is a false, yes. And then this is how we create an object in Python, and as you can see, it returns 0. And then we printed our object, which is 0. So what answer should we get? It's a false. So you can see we have a false answer there. Don't be scared, or don't be worried of this, because we will come into this, but I just wanted to return a 0, and we see how we can get this, what we have got here. So let's do a function that can return a Boolean. So you can create a function that returns a Boolean value, just like what I'm doing here. So let's create another function. Now this was a class. Just delete this, just forget about this. But remember what we have done here. When we get back to creating a class, now you will be getting every single statement. So let me see if I'm coding. I'm coding, and I'm so happy today. I don't know what I ate this morning, but it seems that it was a banana. So def is how we define a function. Let's call it my function, woof function. Or I can say woof function. This is a function called a woof. What should a woof do? A woof function should actually return true, because I'm leaving right now. So return the woof. Return true. Because now we are creating a function that returns a Boolean value. A Boolean value is either yes or no, true, false. Yeah, black and white, true. So then I'm living, I'm alive. The wolf is alive. It's true, bro. So let's print. It's going to return true. So print my function here. So call my function. I'm just going to call this function here, which is the wolf function. And just okay, you do that. One usage means that actually if I put two of them, we need to write over here two usage. Got this. Just for try. Don't forget this. This is what we do. This is what crazy people like me do. Oh, one. Okay. Enter again. Oh, 2 usage. Let me add another. Oh, 3 usage. No, I just wanna use one. Oh, 1 usage. This is where I run this. Print. What a crazy thing. No, I did a mistake here. Yeah, let's run it again. Should turn true. Yeah, I'm living. So you can execute a code based on Boolean answer of a function. Let's do that. So let's print a yes if the function return true, otherwise print no. Yeah, of course, if you don't return yes, what else? It's a no. So you don't have to code the meta word. So let me just do it. So we want to use this again. Def my function which returns true, and let's create an if function. If what function is true, say yes. Simple as that. If what function is true, let's print yes, just like that. Else just put else statement here. Else print if else statement print no, just like this. So I've created a function, and I've created if else statement to return to say something instead of this what we have is yes, because I'm leaving. So I press my function in an if statement, and I said if my function is yes, which is true, say yes. But if I'm not leaving, just say no. But I'm leaving. But if I wasn't leaving and say false here, this function return false. It doesn't want even know. It's a capital L. Oh, yes. Why are you leaving this? Oh, okay. If I'm not leaving, if I'm not there, the function actually returns false. So no should be answer. There we have no. Yeah, that's it. So Python also has a many built-in functions that returns a Boolean value, like the isInstance. isInstance is an inbuilt function that returns a Boolean value. So a function can be used to determine if an object is of a certain data type. So we can have an object, and that object we can try to find out what type of data this object is. So let's do it. So let's check if an object is an integer or not. So how do we do that? Just remember we are talking about boots, so we are doing things here and there to try to understand how we can use a boot. So let's create a value and assign it here, and let's print is instance of what. That's how we do. So I can say here is instance. It's an inbuilt method function. You see, I just keyed is, and then the function popped up, and I now want to check whether x is an int. So of course we can see here, you already know, but let's see whether Python is smart enough. Yeah, as you can see, so we have a true. So x is an instant of integer. What if it's a string? What if it's a string, brother? You can. What if it was a string? Let's do it this way and say, is this what instance of this is? Let's say the wolf. What do we expect? What do you expect? Whew. There was an error. Type 2 must be a type tuple. Oh, let's do a tuple maybe. Let's do a tuple here. Oh, but I don't want to go this side. Let's just do this. False. False. Of course, X is not a tuple type. So let's that is it for this. And let's go to second subtopic, which is called Python operators. It's a how long is this video? I don't know. Oh, let's go talk about operators. When we get caught up at 50 minutes, we will do the necessary. So let's talk about Python operators. So Python operators, what are these, bro? So operators are used to perform operations on variables and values. So in an example that I'm going to do here, I'm using an operator plus to add together two values. It's not a new thing. It's just delete this and just print let's say that, and let's say 2 plus 1. A very simple math operator here. Just run this. Whew, we got 3. So we are using an operator plus to add two numbers, and that's what we have got. So Python divides the operators in many ways, and this is what I'm saying right now. Let's see the first operator. Actually, we have arithmetic operators, assignment operators, comparison operators, logical operators, identity operators, membership operators, page-wise operators. Only those. So let's talk about Python arithmetics operators. So arithmetics operators are used to give numeric values to perform common mathematical operations. So let's start with the addition. So the addition one we have already done there. Let's just repeat it again and do it in a variable way now. Just remove this and just say x is equal to 5, right? This assigned is not equal. This is assignment. But if I say y, there's no bar there, and I say y is equal to 3. So I'm just going to use the operator plus to add two numbers and see what we have. So print x plus y. What is the answer? As you already know. You already know that. So we have 8. So we have used an operator plus to add two numbers. Let's use an operator negative, a minus, to subtract two numbers. So how do we do that? We use an operator, this one. This is how we do. You just change this to minus, just like that. So x minus 3, we should get 2, right? Yeah, there. So we have used an operator subtraction. Let's use another operator, which is a multiplication. A multiplication, you just change this again. You just put a star there, and this star is a multiplication. We should get number 15 there. So let's again use a division. Division, let's change a little bit of this number. Let's say x is 10 and y is 2. So let's divide this number and see. So you just put this is a division side. So let's run again, see whether we have the correct answer. It gives us 5.0, which is true. And let's use a modular. A modular is just shows, this gives you the number that is being left. So a modular, the best thing to do, let's do a 5 here, and let's modulate now. The modular, a modular is just this sign, which looks like a percentage. This is a percentage, right? Let's run this modular now. Let's say, yeah, once you divide 5 by 2, it's actually 2, but there's a remnant, there's the remaining. So this is the remainder. This is the remainder. So the modular gives you the remainder. And also let's do exponential, which is exponential. Yeah, exponential, you just put some double star here. Let's see what is this has to do with this. So what is exponential number? Whew. Oh, 25. So exponential number is like 5 multiplied by, I don't know. Whew. double. So let me just, yeah, just let's find it a floor. A floor is the number which is actually, let's do it. A floor, we just put forward as two of them, and we run that, and we see that it is 2. Is the wolf. Okay, let's talk about Python assignment operators. So assignment operators are used to assign value to a variable, as we always do this. So operator first, the first operator is called this is called this equals sign. So this equal sign operator, we use it to assign a value to a variable. So for example, if we create a variable called x, we then put in 5. We say that we have assigned a value 5 to x variable. Simple as that. So if we print, always we know we will get print x. We will get, what will get, guys? What will we get? You already know that. We will get a value 5, just like that. Another operator is a plus equals operator. So let's do that, and let's say let's do this operator, which is a plus and equal sign. Plus and equal sign. Oh, plus and equal sign operator. What does this do? Let's see what we can do with this. So we are going to create a variable which is called x again, and we add this plus, and we equals to, let's say 2. Let's delete this first of all. So what does this do? I don't know, but again we should do something like that. This actually means it's the same thing as x is equal assigned to x itself, and plus 1 plus what? Plus 2. So forget about this. This is how we do. But again, I think I should sign this over here. Oh my god. Oh my god. I'm not writing the right way. First of all, I should create these variables. Bro, you're joking. Let's do this. And also let's do x plus equal to 2. And now to print x. So this operator, the plus equal, it's going to give us 5. So first of all, 5x was 3, and now it's x, which is 3 plus 2. That's simple as that. So it's going to give us 5. So you can see it has given us 5. It's like it's a good operator. There is somewhere we can use this a lot more. And let's talk about this at the second operator, which is, we can still use the same number, but we're going to put a negative number here. And now this one is like 3 minus 2, which is 1. So we should get 1. Yeah, simple as that. And also there is another operator which is star. So with this star operator, we just put a star here, which is a multiplication. So it's going to multiply 3 by 2, and it's like actually having something like this. Bro, just comment this out. And it's like having something like x multiplied by 2 then 3. Yeah, something like that. Which is 2 actually. It's like this. It should be like this. So x is already 3, and so it's x here, which is 3 times 2. So see what we have. It should be 6, right? Oh, yeah, it's 6. So let's talk about another operator called this one here, this operator /form, just like that. And let's see what we have. What do we get? We get 1. Another operator is this one, double star, which we already did it somewhere, exponential, and this one that again. Let me just read this. These are just operators. We will use them somewhere, so we are just testing them out and see what are the result. We have 9 here. This is exponential, and also we have AND operator. AND operator is this here. So and it should be something, this and this, this and this. It actually means like that. So I'm going to say run this first. We have 2, so it picked the 2, and we have this now. Okay, we have all operator. This is a single slash, straight slash like this. Let's see what we have. We had 3. So one of them is all this. And also we have this operator here. This. Let's see what we have. It's a power. Which is 1. And also we have few left, which is these. Let's double them. Let's see what we have. We have 0, and also we have the one that are facing the other side. So we are testing these operators, and we will use them somewhere. So if we do this, we have 12, and the last one is this full colony, and it's giving me some error. So this should be like let me show you how we do this. Just remove here and say that x is equal to 3. Let's see what we have. We had 3. So that's all about operators, and don't be worried where we use them, because we will going to use them. So let's talk about Python comparison operators. How long is this video? It's actually 50. Today we can do a 1 hour. Let's see. Let's find out how if we are traveling at the speed of light. So let's talk about Python comparison operators. So comparison operators are used to compare 2 values. For example, the first operator here is double cosines, like this. Double equal sign. So where do we use this? These are equal signs. So we can say that x is equal to y. You can check that operator to compare 2 numbers. So we can assign this first of all. X is equal to, let's say, 2, and y is equal to 1. So we can compare these 2 numbers. And see whether it's true. So we can print out. This. Okay, print. So we are comparing the 2, whether this should be false because they are not equal. Another operator for comparison is not equal. It's not equal is written as symbol this. We just remove this x here and put this exclamation mark here. So it's not, this comparison is not equal. This means it's not equal, which will turn true. There. Another one is greater than. So we can put this, change this sign and just put greater than. Because x is greater than y, which is true, should return true. There is a true here. Another one is less than. As always, less than, you already know that. You already know it should be false, right? Another one is less or equal operator. Yes, we can say it's less or equal. Is it excellent? No, it should stand false. Yeah, it's true. What? X is greater. Yeah, it's greater or equal. Yeah, it's true, it's greater. And also we have less than or equal. You just take this. Less than or equal. Less than. Less than or equal. Which should be false. Yeah. So that's all, and let's talk about Python logical operator. So logical operator are used to combine conditional statements. So we're going to, let me see how long is it. We can continue from here in the next lesson, because I don't want this to go. So in the next lesson, guys, we will talk about this lesson is really, this should be of its own, but I just tried to see what I can do away with this. But okay, in the next lesson, guys, we will talk about Python logical operators, and also talk about Python identity operators, Python membership operators, Python bitwise operators, and operator precedence. From there, guys, we will be done with these. Thank you so much and goodbye. And before that, if you're new today, please, if you like this, just put some like there and subscribe to my channel so that I can continue giving these quality learnings with Python. It's your Goof here once again. Goodbye.